Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDF18A1AST built-in dishwasher. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one offers the best value for your kitchen needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is designed for smaller spaces, accommodating up to 4 place settings. This makes it ideal for apartments or RVs. On the other hand, the Midea MDF18A1AST offers a larger capacity with the ability to handle 8 place settings, making it a better option for families or those who frequently entertain guests. If you have limited space, the Hermitlux is a great choice, but for larger households, the Midea is more suitable. Both dishwashers come with multiple washing programs, but the Midea takes the lead with 6 options compared to the Hermitlux 5. The Hermitlux offers programs like Standard, Fast, and EKO, while the Midea includes heavy, normal, and delicate cycles, providing more versatility for different cleaning needs. Additionally, both models feature heated drying, but the Midea's stainless steel tub enhances its drying performance and durability. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $350, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact solution. In contrast, the Midea MDF18A1AST is priced at $499, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. While the Midea offers more functionality, the Hermitlux provides excellent value for those with limited space and budget. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and Midea dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a compact, portable option, the Hermitlux is a solid choice. However, if you have the space and budget for a built-in model, the Midea offers more features and capacity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.